Hello everyone, welcome back. We'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it like this. Make the plaits till the end and then we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun like this. Roll it carefully and fold it like this. Fix it by rolling it around the bun and put the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Moving on to next hairstyle, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then tie the hairs by rolling it like this and fold it. Now tie the hairs, roll it like this and then fold it like this upward and fix it using the hairpins on the top. Tie the hairs carefully and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into three parts and make the plaits by joining them together like this. Take it till the end and then we will fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it by folding it and put the hairpins to fix the hairs on the top. Tie it tightly and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then tie it using the rubber bands. Pull out the hairs from the sides again and join it like this. Now fix the hairs into each other by rolling it as shown in the video. Now fix it and then tie all the hairs together and roll it upward like this. Fold it and fix it using the hairpins on the top. Fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Further, moving on to next hairstyle, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs like this and then roll them together. Now fold it around the rubber band on the top to make a tight bun and fix it using the hairpins to fix the bun like this on the top. Tie it carefully and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. You can get these hairpins easily in the market. Take the hairs from the sides and then make a ponytail like this. Roll it using the fingers upward and then fix the hairpins on the side to tie the bun. Tie it properly and put the hairpins and your bun is ready. You have to take the hairs like this on the back and then take small sections and keep it in the front and then make a ponytail on the back. Now take the hairs from the front and then roll it around the rubber band and then join the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. After that, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Roll it carefully and make the bun out of it. Put the hairpins to fix the hairs tightly and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Further, moving on to next hairstyle, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs and roll them together like this. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it tightly on the top and then put the hairpin to fix the bun on the top like this. Fix it tightly and carefully and your hairstyle is almost ready. Thanks for watching our video.